Morning, everybody. This is Keith Collins with the Keith Collins team. We are certified mortgage planners at a local direct mortgage lender called Alpine Mortgage Planning. Basically, we will help homeowners with all their mortgage needs, from seasoned real estate investors to first-time home buyers. Two things today. First, attached to this email is a flyer about the program I spoke about last week, the CHDAP Down Payment Assistance Program. I had a few people respond and actually ask for a flyer, so we created it. It's attached to this email, and it's a program for the Down Payment Assistance Program, or a flyer for the Down Payment Assistance Program I spoke about last week. Today, the Mortgage Credit Certificate. SHARA, Sacramento Housing and Redevelopment Agency, has a Mortgage Credit Certificate. This is not a new program. It's been around for a long time, but not a lot of people talk about it. So I'm just going to read this here to get the real good description of it. The Sacramento Mortgage Credit Certificate Program is designed to provide homeownership assistance on home purchases within the cities of Sacramento, Elk Grove, Folsom, Isleton, Galt, Citrus Heights, Rancho Cordova, and the County of Sacramento. The Mortgage Credit Certificate reduces the amount of federal income tax a buyer pays, thus giving them the ability to qualify for a mortgage loan and make monthly mortgage payments. So basically what happens here is the buyer will get a credit, not a write-off, but a credit for 20% of the interest that they pay per year. So for example, if they pay $10,000 in interest over a calendar year, they will get a direct tax credit for $2,000, because 20% of 10,000 is 2,000, right? And then the other 80% of the interest they'll be able to write off just like they would any other mortgage interest. So this is a direct tax credit for the life of the first loan. It's a pretty big deal. It's only for first-time home buyers and only in the areas that we discussed. It does have income restrictions, and it is subject to program availability. So I just want to kind of go over a couple things. There are non-targeted areas and targeted areas. I'm not going to get into the targeted areas because it's a long list. But in the non-targeted areas, which is essentially open to everybody, the income for a 1 to 2 person household is $75,000. The income for a 3-person household or more is $86,000. Eligible properties up to $522,000 purchase. There's a $250 non-refundable application fee to Sacramento Housing for the program. And if they qualify for the first mortgage, sorry, my nose is itching here. If they qualify for the first mortgage, and there's funds available, they're going to qualify for the mortgage credit certificate as long as they fall within the income limits for the program. So awesome program. We use it a lot. It does not hold up the close of escrow as long as we start it in the beginning of just a regular 30-day escrow. Can follow an FHA loan, a conventional loan, a USDA loan. It just needs to be within those areas that I defined. So awesome loan program. If anybody has any questions, again, it's Keith Collins, Alpine Mortgage Planning, 916-253-7820. That's 916-253-7820. Hope everybody has an awesome week. Take care.